Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you the latest flagship model from Doogee, and this time I bring you the Doogee V30 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM edition, and this time we have the black edition. Yeah, and also with the smartphone they also provide a gift. I don't know what's inside these books, but they also put some information about the smartphone in a label, like the Doogee V30 is powered by eSIM card, and the audio quality supports high res, and also shows that this is the world's first eSIM card flagship larger phone. And first, I'm going to unbox this with box, and let's check what's inside this box. And okay, I see it's a pen. It's just ink, 2 ink container box, and yeah, plastic. So yes, this is a 2 ink tube with a plastic bag, and also this is I think this is a pen. Yes, it's a wooden, and here is a wooden. Yes, it's a pen, wooden material, Doogee pen. Yes. Okay, so this is the pen they provide this time. Okay, so after we open this, let's check the smartphone. And here is the smartphone. Yeah, today I'm going to talk on the specification and very quick unboxing video about this device. So after we open it, we can find the phone in front of us. Okay, before we check the smartphone, let's check other accessories. First, here, limited warranty card, screen protector, and a screen protector accessories and user manual. Okay, just like normal. And also under the papers, under the accessories, we get other stuff. Here is Type-C. Okay, Type-C to Type-C charger, and also here is the black Type-C to Type-C. Yeah, Type-C to Type-C cable. Type-C to Type-C cable. Yeah, plastic and nothing special. Okay, and this time they provide a 6 to 66 watt fast charger, and also this phone have a 10,800 big batteries. So okay, next is smartphone. Okay, yeah, the peel. Okay, peeled off. Okay, now it's the Doogee V30 smartphone. It supports Ip68, Ip69K, and military stand 810H. So for now, the smartphone is front of us. Okay, the peel of this screen protector as well. And first, about the design, is actually a combination of my first impression about this device is like the combination of a business style smartphone and also a larger device. Like here, the framework of this device is a metal, and also corners are enhanced, and also here the stoppers is well protected, it's from water, but this part, but like the panel part, is like a business style because it's used kind of larger the material, not easy to left the fingerprint on it. And here to redesign the camera zone is a new design and triple camera system. And here I think it's LED flashlight, and also here is the infrared emitter light, and also the mantle. The Doogee logo was printed on the mantle, this mantle. And also the front, they used the wardrobe screen, and also screen. When we just check it by this angle, we can find that the frame is bumped up, and so the spring is well protected by the frame of this device, so you can do well on the Ip68, Ip69K, and the military standard. And also about the design of this smartphone is, I think it's a luxury and delicate text. It's a luxury design they want to make, and like the texture and the luxuries element they use makes it very like the luxury cars, and also it's very classical design, I think. And I think most of the back panel they told us is inspired by the interior of luxury cars, and it's a perfect mix of wooden gray and eco-friendly leather. So this is not the normal leather, not the real animal leathers, and not the fake leather. Is kind of environment friendly leather, and so this is about the design. And also the most important function about this device is eSIM card powered device, and of course it's the first eSIM card supported larger device. And also for the eSIM card, here we can go to the settings to check here. There is a application here. It's a okay, no internet, but if we get internet, we can find that we can choose country, region, and to buy different bundles in this store, this eSIM card store. And for one eSIM card, it covers the 4 mobile phones of a regular SIM card, and on Doogee V30 you can have up to 4 different eSIM numbers, allowing to use them anytime, anywhere. So one Doogee V30 and it's have 5 standby numbers for regular mobile phone. So this is pretty cool, and compared to the normal device, this is very convenient also. And if you are travelers, journalists, you need to travel to different countries and on different business trips, this will be very convenient. The eSIM card gives you a multiple phone numbers and data plans on one phone at the same time. The V series is equipped with the most advanced 5G chips. Yes, it is a 5G phones, and making your calls and networks one step faster to explore unreached places. So this is, and leave your footprint around the world with this eSIM card. And also I know in some African countries they need to choose different carriers, so this is very convenient if they can use the eSIM card. Yeah, so this is the most important feature about this device. And also about the next part, I will talk about the camera system, and this because this time they also provide a very powerful camera system. And this is a 60 megapixel wide angle, and the main camera is 108 megapixel main camera, and also this is the 20 megapixel night vision. And also for the front one, they used a 32 megapixel Sony picture. So this is also good for the camera part. And for the main camera is a f1.8 apertures. So this is also a nice and high spec main camera, because I think they also use this camera on their another model, the Doogee S99, and also I know the other brands like Xiaomi and Ulefone, they also use this as a main camera. So this is will be pretty cool. And besides the high pixel lens, and also this time this is also a 7P lens, and it's powered by AI 2.0, and it supports HDR as well. And also we can go to the settings part to switch it to the sport mode. Promote here, yes, and I will show you the here sport mode, and I will show you the picture samples later at the end of this video. Yes, so this is about the camera part. And also next we will talk about the processor, and this time they have a Dimensity 9000 5G processor. This is a 6 nanometers processor, and it supports maximum to 2.4 maximum frequencies. And also it's the RAM ROM is 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, and for the RAM you support virtual 7 extended RAM, and also it support LPDDR5 and UFS 2 3.2. So this so this we can get fast loading and storing speed, allowing to quick start app or load a game. So this is pretty good, and also it support Wi-Fi 6. So this will be much easier for you to use it for your video or movie. And also though it's very it's a larger device, but also this time they control the the size very well, and the weight well, because it's a big battery. It's have 10,800 big batteries, but the weight is only 376, and also the thickness is 17.3. So this will be much comfortable when you hold it for a long time. And also this time they provide a 66 watt super fast charge for this device, so it can be pretty useful. And also you can use it as your standby devices when you go outside or go abroad or else. Okay, at the last, let's talk about the screen. And this time it's provide a 6.85 inch FHD plus display screen, and it's over 2408 and 1080 resolution. And also this time it's our 120 Hz refresh rate, high refresh rate supported, and the screen to bit ratio is 19:9. And also this time they provide a Corning Gorilla Glass. Yes, Corning Gorilla Glass. And so this time it's used a flagship screen, and so this make the display on V30 series was calibrated carefully and faithfully, and offer truly immersive experience. And we can show you the next time. I'm going to show you the system. Yes, about the phone. Here is phone information about this device. RAM and ROM information we can find here. Yeah, RAM, model name, Android 12 supported. Also here I think I gave you the refresh rate. Yes, here it's bright dark. Refresh rate we can choose 60, 90 or 120 Hz refresh rate or auto refresh rate. So this is very useful and energy saving. We can use this function to so this is about the main part about this device: the design, the battery, the processor, the camera, and the screen. And also next, at the end of the video, I'm going to test the waterproof, and also we will show you some examples about this video, about this sample, and in this video. Okay, next let's go to the waterproof test. Okay guys, now I will put this large device into the water bowl. Yeah, here. Now I put the phone into the water, and yes, we kept phone in the water. And also here to provide a customized key. Also right here we can use it as an underwater camera key. Set it. Now here the side key functions. One click, open underwater camera. Yes, here. Okay, now I put it in the water, and then we keep. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now yeah, so we have a shortcut for these side buttons. Here, yes, all the underwater key, underwater key. Yes, this is very useful, and you can find what phone survive now in the water. Okay, so this is very simple Ip68 test for the iPod proof part, and okay, thanks for this part. Box wheel, yep.